6. Kaaba in Mecca. Kaaba in Mecca, Saudi Arabia has two theories. The first is due to the magnetic phenomenon over this place that makes the navigation equipment go crazy. Another theory is that the force of Earth's gravity is stronger there, which means that aircraft would have a hard time maintaining their height. Some people even say the birds can't fly over there. But the problem of planes flying over the Kaaba, however, is clear. Planes can't fly over Mecca, because they have restricted airspace and no flying zone. Also, to protect Muslims around the world visiting this area. 7. Paris. Paris government factor, all traffic above Paris is forbidden. Exceptions include military aircraft and civil aircraft flying no less than 6,500 feet 2,000 meters. However, the use of helicopters within the limits of Paris, named Boulevard Périphérie, is also prohibited. 8. Machu Picchu. Peru's ban on flying over Machu Picchu since 2006, and the Peruvian government has not allowed any aircraft to access the requisite historical website primarily because of its historic importance, as well as the unique nature of space life. This is because if the aircraft fell in the vicinity of Machu Picchu, it could crash straight into the old building, causing irreplaceable damage. But even if it crashed in the surrounding forest, the local fragile ecosystem would be devastated by a fire that would cause an explosion. No one would endanger an important heritage, so it was actually forbidden for flight to travel there. 9. Kennedy Space Center, Merritt Island, Florida. Florida's Space Coast is a popular spot for space fans to see rocket launches, but the only view you're going to get is from the ground. Merritt Island is home to NASA's Kennedy Space Center and Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. Due to military and NASA activities on and around the island, airspace around the island is limited to all civilian and commercial air traffic. 10. Cuba. Cuba. The government factor. Any plane that wants to cross the border of Cuba needs the government's express permission to do so. Only specially approved aircraft may land on Cuban soil, while all the others will be deemed violators.